This is a completely new discovery that no one else has ever revealed before, and you will be the first person to learn about this exciting new development. Most importantly, I have a really unique and special technique that will enable you to earn an additional $300 by today. Stay all throughout the video to find out more. I'll introduce you to two websites as well as a bonus site that will assist you in earning a substantial amount of money. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The main website that I'll be introducing to you right now will help you earn $30 to $50 in cash right away. ACX is brought to you by Audible.com, a unit of Amazon.com that is a top provider of audio content and entertainment. ACX is an audiobook marketplace where writers, literary agents, publishers, and other rights holders may interact with narrators, engineers, recording studios, and other producers who are capable of completing an audiobook project from start to finish. ACX essentially assists you in the audiobook conversion process on their website. As soon as that's done, the audiobook will be available for purchase on the well-known online retailers like Amazon, iTunes, and Audible. And every day, hundreds of people will visit the site to buy the audiobook. But instead of writing ebooks in this video, we will take on the role of characters in the story instead of writing them ourselves. We will be narrators. On the top menu bar, click on the How It Works icon and then select Narrator. This will show you how it works as a narrator. ACX is a great place to get started in the world of audiobooks and acting. The first step on how it works is that you should register an account on this website. Now, once you've clicked this link, you'll be taken to a sign-in page. If you already have an Amazon account, fill in your email address and the password to log in. If you don't have an Amazon account yet, you can create one by clicking the Create Your Amazon Account icon below. Simply insert your name, email address, and password to complete the sign-up process. Then you're done, and you now have an Amazon account. The second step is to upload samples. You can tag a limitless amount of samples in your profile depending on accents, genre, and style, and they will all appear on your profile. The greater the number of audio samples you include, the more likely it is that the authors will discover you. However, you will not be required to perform any of the necessary efforts in order to read any of the scripts because we will employ a very simple approach to accomplish this. Just make sure to keep on watching the video. The third step is determine how you will be compensated. You have the option of receiving a payout per completed hour or choosing to split 50% of revenues for a lifetime. If you're not sure which option to take, you can choose both. You will be paid per hour, and also regardless of how long it has been since you recorded a book, you will still be paid 50% of the total revenue every time someone buys an ebook that you have read. They have various modes of payment. You may opt to take PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, and even cryptocurrency. The fourth step is to audition. You can look for books that you're interested in narrating and producing and record a few minutes of the manuscript. In the event that you are the rights holder first choice, you will be presented with an offer. Now, if you receive an offer, the fifth step is to accept the offer and begin recording the audio, which is the sixth step. You should record, edit, and upload a 15-minute checkpoint of the audio, which the right holders will either allow or reject based on his or her judgment. When the sample has been authorized, continue with the project by recording the rest of the information. Working with the studio professionals will be the seventh step, and the eighth will be the completion of the recording of the remaining chapters of the book. Respectively, step 9 is when you get paid. As long as you and the rights holder reach an agreement on a pay-for-production fee, the rights holder will be responsible for paying you directly. If you produce the audiobook as part of a royalty share agreement, you will be compensated based on a 50% share of the royalties from the book sales. Now that you know the process on how this will work, let us start with looking for an ebook to read. To find books, click on the Search for Books button found in the fourth step. Here I'll be showing you a few examples of titles that are accepting auditions. As you can see, there are over 1,000 ebooks waiting for sample voice recording. I want you to choose an ebook that has caught your attention, you will be brought to a new page where the details about the book will be shown. This includes the script you will be reading for the audition. Upon receiving the script, you don't have to read any of it. You don't need any microphone and you don't need any cameras. I'll show you exactly how you can copy and paste the entire script and make use of a free tool to do all the reading for you. Then you can submit a sample script for the audition. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. In this section, I will introduce to you this free tool that you can use to read scripts that have been provided. If you type ttsreader.com into your browser search box, you will be directed to the company's website. TTS Reader is a simple, lightweight online text reader that is ready to use right away. The site uses AI technology that imitates a human voice. Here, you will not be required to install anything. There will be no downloads or signups, and it works on every browser and on any device, no matter where you are in the world. This website is completely easy. Just copy the script from ACX and paste it in the box provided in TTS Reader. In addition, because they have so many selections, you can select any voice or language that you wish. For example, you can select English, United Kingdom, or Spanish as your language. Even better, you have the option of having either a male or female reader read the script. After that, you can listen to a preview of the audio file by clicking on the play button. If you like what you hear, simply click the download option to save the audio file to your phone or computer. Afterward, you can actually submit the audio sample to ACX for approval. Now, I'd like to introduce you to the next free tool. The following site is significantly more powerful than the previous one since it provides you with a much more authentic voice. NaturalReader is the name of the software program. Simply type naturalreaders.com into your browser and you will be sent to the company's homepage. NaturalReaders is a technology company that delivers voice solutions for software, internet applications, and mobile apps. One of its key features is that many natural-sounding voices are available in 16 different languages. Another feature that they have is dyslexic font. This is specifically made as a reading aid to help dyslexic readers. There are 3 different plans that you can choose from in order to be able to utilize the site. One is the free plan. It provides unlimited use with free voices, daily maximum usage of 20 minutes with premium voices, a Chrome extension, a pronunciation editor, and it supports a variety of file formats such as PDF, text, and docs. The premium subscription contains all of the same functions as the free plan, with the addition of the ability to read from photos and PDF documents. It is worth $9.99 per month, while the Plus plan is worth $19 per month because there are no restrictions on how you can utilize the site's services. The same procedures used in the first tool were applied here. Put the copied script into the box and press the play button to hear a preview of it. You can also select a voice that you would like to hear from the list. Once you are satisfied, you can simply click on this button to download the file as an MP3 file to your phone or computer, and then submit them to be considered for acceptance. Now, I will show you a bonus trick. I want you to go to Fiverr.com. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelancing services that is based in Israel. Fiverr is a website that allows people to list and apply for tiny one-time jobs, sometimes known as gigs over the internet. Essentially, what I want you to do is type in voiceover in the search box of the Fiverr website. Over 20,000 results will appear on the following page, including freelancers who are currently available. For example, I choose this freelancer that will record a professional female American voiceover, and they're charging for only $20. You don't have to pay this freelancer straight away. Send an email letting them know that you will be sending them an audition script for a sample demo, which you can find by scrolling down and clicking on the Contact Me button down below. And it's all free of charge. Once the seller gives back the audition sample, you can actually submit them to acx.com. As soon as ACX accepts the voice recording, you can go back to Fiverr and pay the freelancer. Then you don't risk any of your own money. With acx.com, the earning potential is virtually limitless. I want you to put the use of TTS Reader, and NaturalReader at the top of your priority list because they are both free and significantly faster. Right now on this website, there is a great deal of money to be made. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.